This ramp, I quite like it. This type of ambulance with this type of ramp would be fantastic for people that need to carry motorbikes. Absolutely fantastic. Even without the suspension lowered down, you could push a reasonable sized motorbike up there without any problems at all. It's got an anti-slip grip on the surface of the ramp. I had my BMW 1200cc motorbike in the back of my Crafter using the lift that came with that. But this is very easy. You could probably drive a bike up in there without any trouble at all as well. I like that purely from getting stuff in and out, and certainly during the build, that's going to be very useful, I think. Eventually she's going to have to board over it, but certainly for doing some of the initial work, not jumping up and down a step all the time is very useful. And that's something I forgot to mention in the intro video. There isn't a side step on this van either. Very odd. There's no sign there ever was one. And it's quite a drop down from the sliding door on the side of the van down to the ground. So I think this van will end up with a side step in the not too distant future. But I'll just show you this ramp working. The electric motor that operates it is actually inside the wedge part. I think. I may be wrong, but I think it is. I'll open it again. It's a nice silent operation. Works well. I believe these wedges can come off quite easily with a couple of clips. I haven't had a look yet. I'm curious because I may actually take the thing off to weigh it. But I'm pretty sure it's made of fiberglass. It doesn't appear to be steel. It's a pretty cool bit of kit. As I said, for a motorbike transporter, fantastic machine. Especially when you consider the sides in this vehicle, or the plastic fiberglass panelling is actually stuck directly to aluminium sheeting. So it's also going to take some knocks. You can bolt things into it directly, and if it wasn't for the fact we're pretty certain the insulation is appalling, you wouldn't need to take it off. But there you go, there's the ramp, and that's how it works. And I think that's a pretty cool bit of kit. Thanks for watching.